Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to see how you can verify your identity on PrizePicks. So after you make your account, they can automatically verify you, but if that doesn't happen, they would require some additional information for you. So some information that they can ask is your last four digits on your SSN. To complete this process, you'll just need to input your last four SSN digits and it will securely process your information and it will attempt to verify your identity based on that. Apart from that, you can also submit a photo of your ID. They can ask for a photo of your ID. You just need your smartphone to take a picture of your government issued ID. It could be a passport, it could be a driver's license, anything that shows your picture and shows your details so they can help to verify your account. And after you submit your ID, they can straight away verify you. Or if your picture is blurry, not cropped well, or if there's any error, they can ask you to resubmit ID. They can also place it in review for a bit, which means that your verification will take a bit, but it usually gets verified after that. But if they deny you, that means that based on the information that you've provided them, you will not be able to verify for PrizePicks. You can give them something else, but if they deny you based on the information you have already given them, it won't work. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.